Hello kids, in this video we're going to learn numbers from 21 to 35. Let's go. 21, this is 21. Look, 2 and 1 makes 21. 22, 2 and 2 makes 22. 23, 2 and 3 makes 23. 24, 2 and 4 makes 24. 25, looks 2 and 5 makes 25. 26, this is 26, 2 and 6, 26. 27, 2 and 7, 27. 28, 2 and 8, 28. 29, 2 and 9, 29. 30, 3 and 0 makes 30. 31, 3 and 1, 3 and 1 makes 31. 32, 3 and 2 makes 32. 33, 3 and 3 makes 33. 34, 3 and 4 makes 34. 35, 3 and 5 makes 35. I hope kids you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe. Bye bye.